Hello everybody, got my buddy's drone out here today and we're at the salt flats.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
We're out here at the salt flats in Salt Lake City, Utah, well west of it. We're going to see how far we can go with just
takeoff.
I'm going to show you guys in the camera of the drone. Let's see how far I can go at a max of 3 miles one way. What it'll do with just the regular antennas, since there's nothing out here, it should go pretty far. And then I'm going to put these on it. Little cheapos from eBay. And then these came with the Fly More combo. And then you can put them inside of each other. Well, you can run both at once. You'll figure it out if you own it. And hopefully it goes 3 miles without needing all that. We're going to do it in P mode. And
take off.
3 miles because I know I've gone.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And here we go. My blades are kind of loud. Guess I should have changed them first. And a mile is, I think, 5,200 feet. So we're just at 30 feet above where I took off. I'm thinking we should get 3 miles, no problem. My house, my buddy came over and flew it, and it's on top of a hill, which his house isn't. So he was so happy to come to my house and do it. But I'm on top of a hill above all the trees somehow, and we could go 3 mile round trip, 3 there, 3 back. Or if we're going one way, it was 4.5 miles one way. And then we landed in like a little pull off beside the road where like combines and tractors and all that would go into their normal field. And I went and picked it up. Now, if we don't get to 3 miles, and we're at 50%, I am going to bring it back. I don't want to lose my drone, and the drone is the same color as the salt flats out here. We're at a half a mile here. Well, coming up on it. Actually going to do some adjustments. Return to home altitude, 49 feet. There ain't no trees to hit out here. There's a 3 mile an hour wind, it says. But I can't feel it at all. Now I've wanted to do a video to see how far sport mode will go versus P mode. You think you could go further if you went faster, but I don't think that's the case. I just have the throttle pushed hard forward. I'm on the west side of the salt flats, so if you want to go out to where people like do 400 mile an hour, gotta go down the road a little bit. It should be going past that area. I may have to bring this up. Okay, so I have permission to go into I'm not even in their flight path. I gotta look out for this orange over here because that is a Air Force base. But the direction it's going, I should miss it all. Oops, went too far back. We're at 1 mile. I actually want to see how far away that looks on the map. Doesn't look far at all. It'd be cool if I get to the end of that access road. It looks like about 3 miles, and that's where they normally set up for movies and all that. I came here one time, and they would not let me out there if my vehicle was orange or green. I forget what it was, because it would mess with their backdrop. I don't know what movie it was, because there was a million four-wheelers. Probably in the next James Bond movie. Got a little bit choppy there. Getting really choppy. Weak signal. Let's stop it for a second. See if it'll regain. Now it regained. Back off. The quality is not very good. There it's out again. It's not coming back this time. Let's move it forward just a little bit. I'm going to cancel that. Now I'm going to go put on the little black antennas. It did not like that. I put the antennas on there. Okay, now we have video. See how much further we can go. And with that, we went about 100 feet. I am going to not hit that button again. I'm going to now put the one on that came with the Flymore kit. And it's got to go into its failsafe. Can't do much there. If I fight it, I lose my drone. We're at 1.5 miles in the middle of nowhere. I would have thought it would have went further, since I can go further when I'm at my house. My house is next to power towers, and I'm putting everything on it now. Hopefully it's above 8.5 feet that it says at the bottom left. Hey, we're getting some. It's just sitting there. That's weird that it's just sitting there. We're going to continue on. I got both things on it. I think we lost it at 7,400 regular, 75 with the antennas, and couldn't get it back at all with the Flymore combo antenna. Now that we got them both on there, we're almost pulling another 1,000 feet. I'm going to go up just a little bit higher so I feel more comfortable. These antennas have definitely helped because I lost it so early. Thinking about pulling them off and seeing if I lose it again. Oh, I lost it as soon as I took it off. So they're definitely helping.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Well, it still wants to go, but we're going to stop it and get some photos here. And then we're going to continue on. we at least gotta get to 2 miles. I think that'd be 10,400, somewhere around there. So if you're wanting distance, you definitely want the double F52. I'm returning. Definitely want the double antennas. There's 10,000 feet. I'm gonna make it return to home.
Go home.
And hopefully that helps somebody on the distance. Like, some people are like, oh, it only goes 400 feet. Well, I never have that issue. I don't see a lot of people that have that issue, only on the forums.